slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Tapos yan, pwede natin yan i-recline. Kung gusto nyong nakahiga konti, pwede natin yan. Ayan, ganun lang siya mga kol. Ayan, ganda. Tapos dito check natin. Ayan. So back to original yung kulay ng ating dashboard. Ayan, yung ating shift lever. So try natin start yung ating makina. Ayan. So meron tayong dashcam. So Lenovo yung brand. Meron tayong 9 inches Android stereo. Ayan. So try natin. Ayan. So dito tayo sa kabila. Check natin ha. So ayan. Turn on natin yung susi. Sobrang init. Ayan. So ignition key on. Yan Lenovo. Then try natin konti yung ating stereo. Ayan, radio. Ayan, wait. Nag-loading po yan. Ayan. So radio. So ayan, mahirap tayo makasagap na signal dito kasi katabi tayo ng tower. So ayan, dito yung ating dashcam. Ayan. So try natin i-reverse. Ayan. Yung reverse camera, yung dashcam, meron siyang reverse. Ayan. Off natin. Ayan. Off natin. So try natin start. Ayan. So yan yung andar natin. Yung first andar natin. Ayan. Makita natin dito yung ating push light. Kung hindi gagana yung ating susi, so gagana po siya dito. Ayan. Ayan. So gana po. Ayan. Then try natin on yung ating aircon. Yan. Ayan. So, meron siyang GPS. Ayan o. Close natin. Ayan. Ayan. So, yan. Lamig yung aircon. Yan. So, try natin yung ating auto fold. So, yan. Gana. Magkabilaan. So, try natin yung ating mirror. Adjust ng ating mirror. Yan. Up. Gilid. Sa gilid. Baba. Ayan. Gana. So, try natin sa kabila. Lagay natin sa right. Then, taas. Baba. Left. Right. So, ayan. So, gumana po siya lahat. So, try naman natin yung ating mga power window. Ayan. Sa kabila. Ayan. Gana lahat. Ayan. So, yan. Diyan, kailangan po siya naka-close. Hindi po yan mag-open that part kung hindi siya naka-close kasi yung contact, andyan yung contact ko. Dito din sa ating poste. So, yan. Meron tayong mga sun visor. Yan. Ito yung mga sun visor natin. Yan. Ganda ng under. Ganda ng aircon. Ayan. RPM natin. Ayan. So, aabot po siya ng 7,500 RPM. Ayan. So, powerful yung ating makina. Kasi, K6E yung ating makina. AFI po mga call. Tapos, turbo po siya. So, yung turbo na mga variant is nasa 63 horsepower. Ayan. So, check natin yung kanyang makina. Ayan. Ayan. Try natin. So, ito yung kanyang makina. Oh. Turbo po siya. So, gagana po siya lahat. Pati yung wastegate valve niya, gagana po siya. Ayan o. So, nagpo-push po yung ating wastegate valve. So, yan yung pinaka-importante sa ating unit na gagana. Kasi pag hindi gagana yan, ayan, may problema po yung ating turbo. Hindi tatagal yung ating turbo. Bibigay yung ating impeller. Ayan. So, sa gusto nang mag-order ng ganito, message lang sa ating Facebook page at saka sa ating YouTube channel. Ayan. So, every wagon na 4x2 3-layer headlights sporty edition. Ayan. So, yung presyo nito is 305,000 po mga kol. 14 inches po yung kanyang mag wheels. Ayan. Tapos, Android stereo. Meron siyang dashcam. Ayan. Yan, ganda. Raptor Gray yung napili. So, this unit is going Maynila. So, antayin natin yung vlog natin pag pinaship natin to sa Maynila. Ayan, sa Maynila po, yung address ni Sir is Cavite. Trias, Cavite, Region 4. Ayan, so, doon po yung address. Doon po ito dadalhin. Ayan. So, check natin yung mga ibang baka may nalimutan tayo. So, wala na tayong nalimutan siguro. Yan. So, sa bago lang sa ating channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Din pakipindot yung notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next video uploads kagaya ito. Ingat po mga kalen. Bye-bye. God bless po.